In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Gmail account safely. This is called delegation, and it's perfect when you want someone you trust, like an assistant or a teammate, to read and send emails on your behalf without ever giving out your password. Start by opening your web browser and signing in to Gmail. This process works best on desktop because we'll be adjusting settings that are easier to find on a larger screen. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right for the gear icon. That's your settings shortcut. Click it, then choose See All Settings to open the full settings page. Along the top, you'll see a row of tabs. Click Accounts and Import. This area controls things like sending mail, as another address, importing mail, and, most importantly for today, account delegation. Scroll until you find the section labeled Grant Access to Your Account. This is where Gmail's built-in sharing lives. Click Add Another Account. You'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you want to share your mailbox with. Type it carefully and double-check it. Sharing with the wrong address could expose private messages. Only add someone you fully trust. Delegates can read, send, and delete messages on your behalf, and any message they send will clearly show it was sent by them for you. They can't change your password or major account settings, and this doesn't share anything outside of Gmail, like Drive or Calendar. After entering the address, click Next Step. You'll see a confirmation screen. When you're ready, click Send Email to grant access. Gmail will email the person you selected with a secure confirmation link. You'll see the delegate listed as pending until they accept. The recipient must open that email and click the confirmation link to finish the setup. Gmail notes that it can take up to 24 hours for the connection to fully activate, so don't worry if it isn't instant. A useful tip: let the person know to check their spam or promotions tabs if they don't see the invite right away. Once the connection is active, they'll be able to open your mailbox from their own Gmail account and handle messages on your behalf. Remember, you're always in control. If you change your mind, you can return to the same Grant Access to Your Account section and remove the delegate. Keep delegation limited to people you trust, review access periodically, and you'll stay both productive and secure. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.